So this is how to buy render cryptocurrency in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up Robinhood, go to the bottom in the middle and select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just start typing in render and then select it. And then at the bottom where it says your position, press buy. Once you're on this page, you can go to the top right and choose your order type. So there's a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in render. We will just keep it at market order in Canadian dollars. Now type in the amount of render crypto that you want to purchase. So for example, if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the order so you can see how much of render crypto you're purchasing, the fees, and the total cost. And if everything looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy render crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.